One South African woman don set new world record after she born 10 children at the same time and in the same day. My people, she break Guinness Book of Record wey dem just set last month, and for the previous record the woman bin born nonuplets wey be 9 children, but now this woman born decuplets wey be 10 children, and this woman, her name na Gosem Tamara Seto, and she dey 36 years, and her husband name be Tatsute Teboho. Yes, that one na her husband name, and these people dem get 6-year-old twins already before these 10 children, and these 10 children na 7 boys and 3 girls. Like this now, they don dey 12 for house. So, and this woman born these children through cesarean section for Pretoria Hospital. Yes, that one na the name of the hospital where this woman born these children. And the husband talk say dem bin dey think say na 8 children she go born, say he surprised when she enter labor 2 extra children come out wey come make the children 10. Now the news don reach Guinness people, and now they don come out. One spokesperson from Guinness Book of Record come and come talk say Guinness World Record is aware of the news that Gosem Tamara Seto gave birth to decuplets, and we send our congratulations and best wishes to the family. Now the woman name don enter Guinness Book of Record. See as the belle big, you go know say this kind belle carry 10 children. But my own question be, how this woman take dey sleep for night with this kind children, or how she even dey waka, how she dey feed? Now she don born these children, how she go take breastfeed 10 children? You go if one na Andrew, the other one na James, the other one na Peter, na so James go dey cry, Andrew go start, Peter go start, Paul go start. She no go know where to face, she no go know who to, she go start to breastfeed. Even breast milk sef go finish. So me I come dey wonder how she go take feed these 10 children. I know say na God give am, but how this woman go take carry out this kind thing? And dem talk say the husband dey unemployed. Hey, these 10 children, I know they talk say he come wrong family, but make una reason am. The husband dey unemployed, nobody know wetin the wife dey do. They don go born 10 good children where dem go buy pampers, dem go buy clothes, dem go dey feed these children. When dem big small, dem don start school, dem go pay school fees, dem go una know wetin e be to train pikin even reach 5 years. Talk more of say you get 10 children, abi dem get twins. I sure say dem know wetin dem pass through before dem reach the 6 years wey dem reach. Now imagine 10 with unemployment, how dem go take survive am? Like this, dem don get 12 disciples for house, wey dem go take dey train. This one pass football team, this one don pass football team. Like this now, I no know how dem go take do am. My own pity na school fees. Hey, una know wetin people dey see for school fees? Even family wey only born 1 pikin or 2 sef, dem dey hear am for where school fees dey. Whether na private whether na government dem go still dey pay better money if dem want their pikin to get good education. Dem go buy book, dem go buy school uniform, dem go buy school bag, dem go buy all these things. They change, they cut hair, they put the children in order. How dem go take cope? Abi dem go carry these children put some for orphanage? Because I don't know how dem go take do this kind thing. E good say person don break world record, say she born these children, she dey hale and hearty, no one die. The woman dey alive, the 10 children dey alive, no one die. But the problem be how she go take care of these children. I just pray say people go see this woman, do some kind donation, help this family, make the children go, make God just look upon these children, provide for them. Because every child is a blessing. Say they get these 10 children, I should say na God intention to give them these 10 children. So I just pray say then go find way, as in God go just provide way, destiny helper go just come out from nowhere, help them train these children. Because these 10 children, now them born them and they're supposed to take care of the children. As I hear this one say woman born 10 children, in my life I never hear say woman born 10. As I hear am like this, it ring like bell. I say no. Ma come tell my people wetin happen. Ma tell my people wetin I just see. Because I just say una go like to hear. Na so I carry am. Come drop for una, make una use una own eye see. Say woman wey born 9, that one record don close. Now na 10 children. So my people, make una tap into this blessing. All those people wey don dey find twins, una dey find if it tap born 20, nobody know. So my people, make una tap into this blessing so that una go fit drop una own twins as e dey hot. So if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Make una no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Make una come see happiness. This one deserve celebration. This one deserve happiness. Una know wetin be freedom at last? This one a good example of freedom at last. One Nigerian actor, name na Big Vi Jokotoye. I don't know if I pronounce am well, but that one na name. He come for Instagram live. They celebrate. Say finally he is now a US citizen. This one our own Nigeria personal person where we know, where they act film with us. Finally, he don't leave all of us, Uarians so, Nigerians so, he don't leave us. Go get in US citizenship. Like this, my people, if you not see how in they give glory to God, how in they talk, make people, they happy for me so that this one, make una use una eye, watch the video.
I am the happiest man right now. I am a US citizen. I am a US citizen right now. I am the happiest man. If you want this, God will do it for you. God will do it for you. If you are happy for me, God will do it for you.
Abi una see as person dey jubilate? Una see the smile and happiness for him face? If this Nigeria na better place, person go dey happy, dey celebrate because of US citizenship. Even self, plenty people no go dey find am because at that point everything dey the country. Everything wey we need go dey there. Whether na good job food security facilities, infrastructure, everything go dey. We no go dey jubilate say this one light. Well, everything, if all those things dey that country, why human being wey dem born for the country go dey happy say you don get US citizenship? This country e go ever better. E go ever better. Person go immediately you hold Nigeria passport, say you want US visa. That one na war front. That one na talk for another day, because e go take you time, take you ages. You go dey go dey come, dey go dey come because of wetin you wan get just visa. I no tell una citizenship, visa. And this one wey manage get citizenship, I go call am big achievement, because I know say this guy pass through a lot. Him pass through a lot to achieve this thing. As this guy dey happy like this, my people forget. Nothing go bring and come back Nigeria. Nothing go carry and come back Nigeria. I sure say the nationality don't tire am. The same way me sef I don't tire for the nationality. If I get my own way, I want make it show me the way now. Make it show me the roots. So that me too, I will go plot my own graph, get my own, even if na 3 years it go take me, make it take me, I get this certificate. I be na certification, I be na citizenship. Because it be like certificate, I think they go hold the paper. It dey like US certificate. That be why I call a certificate. So my people, I want make this guy show me road. So that me too, I go come here show na road on how this guy take do am. I be name na Jokotoye or wetin dem call am. How him take do am, I go bring am come una side. The country tire me, and I so say una wey dey watch wey be Nigerians, e tire una. Only that country then they fight, then they kidnap, then they shoot, then they do this one. Your life every day for Nigeria na glory be to God. If you sleep, wake up, see say all your body parts dey complete. Just go, thank God, because that country, people are living by the grace of God. People are living. I be this guy no go come marry me. And then he go marry me, I just carry my own passport, carry my everything. They could leave the country for now. As soon as I don't call am UAR, I mean I don't know the one who call am. Come they say we are Uarians. Waiting. Since una don't give am that name, make una dey there. Me I want do comot. Make he come marry me, ma comot from the country. As e be now, the latest na US citizenship. My people, make una go find una own citizenship. Now wetin I don call you, I call give una say one Nigerian has finally left us. Completely, he has finally left us for good. So my people, na here I go stop the story for the day. Make una no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video.